So we can use LeRobot on the CLI now with Node. With npx we have this package called LeRobot, and the help is showing us the commands that we can execute. And the first thing we want to do is to actually run find port, because this gives us the information on which port on our computer the robot is connected. It's showing COM4 here, and it's telling us to remove the USB cable. This is what we're doing, hitting enter, and then it confirms, okay, this is COM4. Reconnecting our robot here. Let's show the help again and use the next command, which is calibrate. We also show the help here, and it's showing us one example that we can directly copy. Just have to make sure to add the npx here. The robot type is the SO100 follower arm. This is what I have here. The port is the one that we just discovered with find port, and the ID is just like any name that you can give. This is important because this is how we identify our robot and our configuration. So let's run calibration. First thing that we have to do is to set the homing position and then press enter. So when we have this homing position set, we press enter, and then we can start calibrating. And when we are done, we press enter, and then we have our calibration config saved to the local file system. Opening help again, and the next thing we need after doing calibration is teleoperate. This is what we're doing now. Also opening the help, and then we can also take this command here. And what this is doing is teleoperate, which means we can remote control the robot arm now. Again with our SO100 on COM4, the port, and our ID that we used to create the calibration config. So we executing this, it's connecting to the robot, telling us which controls we can use here, and then we can control the robot. And when we are done, we can cancel this, take a look at the help here. And what you will notice is that the motors are blocked now, and we can unblock them. And for this, we are using release motors. Also looking at the help, which gives us this command, and it's exactly the same as before. We can use this here with our robot type, with the COM and like the ID, and make sure that you put your arm here so that it doesn't fall on the table, because it now will release the motors. Then you can put it manually in the position, and that's it.